You filming?
Yep.
Why?
Because I want to show you clipping his nails.
Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Yes, but that he's a good boy about it.
He is a good boy.
No.
I let him lean.
He's not impressed about it, but he'll stay.
Especially the front claws. Oh, my daggers! We got a piece of feathered boa lodged in here. He's purring too.
Is he?
Oh, fucking, I'm sorry.
Here comes the kitten. Hurry up, Shanny's distracted by his paw.
I'm hurrying. The right paw is always the hardest.
Harley, you leave brother alone.
What the fucking mean, Jay?
Harley, come here.
I have to do the...
Leave brother alone. You're gonna clean the fatty off.
Wipe the fatty off, huh?
There you
Just
go.
as simple as that.